Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you to you. If you're returning, thank you so much on clicking on this video. I make videos on hair, makeup and much more. And if you are not subscribed yet, please push the subscribe button down below. I don't know why I have a comb. And also do not forget to press the bell icon down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. I upload a video at least once a week, so every week come back to watch my new video. So I'm going to do a tutorial on this hair. It is a very simple, inexpensive hairstyle. Today it is less than $2, or it may cost you $0 if you have extension at home that you did not use before and you can reuse again. So this hair was very quick, was very easy, and before I continue to talk, let's get right into this video. hair. I really love the outcome. I like the way it looks, and yeah, this is what I was able to achieve with this $5.99 hair. I didn't use the whole pack. I only used a quarter of the pack, and yeah, this is the finished look. It is very nice. It is beautiful. I think I will have to put more hairpin in it, and that will be good to go. And if you don't really like the side bangs, I love side bangs, you can just go ahead and move the bangs around and just try and use one of this razor to just like chip it to your like taste or length. I would say to your length, but right now, because I don't really want to, I don't want it thick, I want it to look natural, so you can go ahead and cut it to your length, because I don't really want the bangs like this. I want the side bangs, so I'm just going to leave it like this. So that is all about it. That is all about this video, guys. I hope, 1 second. So that is all about this video, guys. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe. Come back next week to check back on me, and I'll see you guys back next week. Bye.